Here's a 2018 Cadillac XT5 crossover. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, DriveSense automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac, second to none. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.